In this video, we will learn how to move Fortnite to another drive. So in order to move Fortnite to another drive, firstly you need to find the folder that your Fortnite is installed in. So from the search panel of Windows, you need to type in Epic Games Launcher. Then click on Open, which will open up the Epic Games Launcher. From here, you need to head to the library. From your library, you need to find Fortnite. You can type Fortnite in here to search it quickly. After finding Fortnite, right click on it, click on Manage. From here, in the section where it says Installation, click on this folder icon. Now it will take you directly to the Fortnite folder. So from here, all you need to do is just right click on it, click on Copy. Now head to the folder that you want to move your Fortnite to. So for instance, I want to move my Fortnite in this folder. So I'll just right click and click on Paste. Now Fortnite has been copied in here successfully. Now in order to make the swap possible, we need to change the name of this folder to anything else. So I'll just say it Fortnite 1, then hit enter. Now the folder's name has changed. Now head to the Epic Games Launcher again, and from here just uninstall Fortnite. Click on uninstall. After the uninstall, Fortnite will say install again. Now all you need to do is install Fortnite to the folder you just move it to. So click on install. Navigate to the folder you installed your Fortnite into. As you can see, here is the folder. So in here we'll just install Fortnite. So select folder. And after that, just click on install. Now when the download starts, after some time you need to abort the download. So it will just say resume in here. Now head to the folder. As you can see, we are in the folder, so all you need to do is just double click on this Fortnite 1 folder which you copied. Cut the FD contents from here, go back to the folder and go into the original Fortnite download folder. Right click and paste everything in here. So as you can see, every content of the previously installed Fortnite has been copied and pasted in here. After that, go back to your Epic Games Launcher and resume the download. Now as you can see, Fortnite's file is being verified, and after verifying the file, you can successfully play Fortnite again in the new drive. So this is how you can easily move your Fortnite game to another drive in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.